In this video, we'll start the exercise of the chapter surface areas and volumes. Alright, from now onwards, all your entire exercises will be covered here step by step, all the exercises. And now I have chosen first exercise. Alright, so in this video, I'll be discussing first, second, and third question from your chapter surface areas and volumes. Alright, so my name is Shrikant Bashetti from Kalparuksha Classes. I welcome all of you to Kalparuksha Classes YouTube channel. In this, I'll be covering the mathematics concepts, and in physics point already we are covering the physics concepts, and already we have reached at the chapter called gravitation. All right, so already motion is over there, motion concept is over, force and laws of motion in detail I have discussed there, and gravitation also we have reached at applications of Archimedes principle. Go to physics point, type of physics point by Shrikant Bashetti. So if you type physics point by Shrikant Bashetti, you will go to that page, and I will provide the link in the description of this video also. If you want to consume physics content, and if you want to learn all the concepts of physics neatly, you can go back to this channel Physics Point by Shrikant Bashetti, and you can learn the concepts. All right, so let's get started. Let us take a first question. What is this first question? The first question says a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.2 meter wide, and 65 centimeter deep. That means this plastic box is cuboidal. All right, this is a cuboidal. This is made up of a cuboid shape is there. Definitely the length is going to be 1.5 meter. All right, and the breadth is 1.25 meter, and height is given in centimeter, that is 65 centimeter. And you can write that height as height is equal to, this can be converted as 65 divided by 100, and height is going to be 0.65 meter. Sometimes you have to keep this height as 65 by 100 only, and sometimes you have to convert, so accordingly you have to do that as per the need. All right, now what they're asking, it is to be open at the top. At the top it should be open. What is the meaning of it should be open at the top? Look at this. If you draw the box here, all right, this is a cuboidal box, no? So this is the box, and it has to be open from the top. Means look at this, whatever I'm shading red now, so this has to be open. This is the top, so this is nothing but this is length and this is breadth, no? So one lb has to be cancelled. So whatever I have shaded red just now, so this has to be cancelled. This is open. All right, moving forward. Now what they're asking, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, that means it's very thin, determine, they're asking us the area of the sheet required for making the box. So what is the formula for area of sheet? Area of sheet, what is the formula? Actually, total surface area of any cuboid, you know that it is going to be 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula for a total surface area of cuboid. But right now this is not there, no? So this thing is not there. That's why you have to leave this LB. 2 LB will not come, only 1 LB will come. That means LB, 1 LB plus, and as usual 2 bracket BH plus HL will be carried forward. 2 bracket BH plus HL, as usual it will be there. All right, so this is the formula to find out area of the sheet what we need. All right, so let's go into the next page, and let us write that area of sheet. Area of a sheet. So what is that formula? That is like LB, that is there for sure, plus LB plus what was there? 2 bracket BH plus HL was there, no? In that, don't you think H is common? Look at this H and H, you can definitely take that H common, no? All right, I hope you are getting to know. If you take H common, 2 is there, and if you take H common, what will be there inside the bracket? Look at this, B and L will be there. Correct? Now take H common, and B plus L will be there. All right, B plus L. Now substitute all these values. What is LB? L into B. L is 1.5, B is 1.25. So that is like 1.5 into 1.25. All right, so that is the first thing, plus 2h, 2 into what is h? So h is a 0.65. We can make a note of 0.65. All right, open the bracket. B plus L, what is B plus L? That is 1.25 and 1.5. B plus L, so 1.25 plus 1.5. All right, just add all of this and do the calculation. I mean, it is 1.5, no, 15 is there, 15 fives are 75, 7 is the carry, 15 twos are 30, then it becomes 37, 3 is the carry, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. Then I have two places here and I have one place here, so that is three places together, it becomes 1.875 plus, then again it becomes 2 into 0.65 means it becomes 130, no, basically it becomes 130, and two places backside means it becomes 1.3. All right, you can remove this 0 also. Then in bracket it becomes 5 plus 0 is 5 and 2 plus 5 is 7. All right, so it becomes a 2.75. So this basic calculation must be known to you. Then afterwards we are going to have it as 1.875. all right, plus then it can be written as 1.3, 1.30 as in 1.3 only, bracket 2.75. all right, then 1.875 plus you know the 13 table, no, 13 fives are 65, 6 is the carry, and 13 sevens are 91, 91 plus 6 is 97, 9 is the carry, 13 twos are 26, 26 plus 9, it is going to be 30, then 35. All right, 35, and here two places and here one place means three places, it will go here. Now add this 1.875 plus 3.575. You should be very much perfect in this kind of calculation. 5 plus 5 is a 10. 1 is a carry. Then 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 is a carry. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. All right. Then again 1 is a carry. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5.450, or you can just write it as 5.45 also. 5.45 meters square of heat is required. All right, so we got the first answer. And second thing, what they're asking cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost us, what is the cost given here? I think it is troubling us. Okay, 1 meter will cost us how many rupees? 20 rupees. It is going to cost us 20 rupees. So if you consider the cost to be 20 rupees, so you have to multiply this entire thing. So whatever this thing is there, it has to be multiplied with 20. For 1 meter square 20 rupees means for these many meter square how many rupees? Into 20 only you have to do. So that's why you have to write cost of sheet. Cost of sheet is equal to 5.45, it is right, 5.45, 5.45 into 20. Do this calculation. So it is like 2 fives are 10, 1 is the carry, 2 fours are 8, then 9, 2 fives are 10, then afterwards give 1 0 and come back two places. So it is going to be 109 rupees. So we have to pay 109 rupees. I hope this problem is quite clear. Moving forward to the next question. The next question is like this. What is this question? The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. That means length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter and height is 3 meter. All right. Now they're asking find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling. Okay, again, walls of the room and ceiling means you have to leave the floor. No, now this time what you have to leave? Look at this. This is a cuboidal room. All right, so this is the cuboidal room with the length, breadth and height. Now in that what you have to leave? We don't paint this floor. No, look at this. This is the floor, right? With the length and breadth, this is the floor. We are supposed to leave this. By leaving this, we have to paint a right wall, left wall, then back wall, front wall and top, that is ceiling. We have to leave this LB right now. All right, by leaving that we have to paint. All right, moving forward. Now they're asking us what is the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 7.5 rupees per meter square. All right, per meter square. So again same thing, you find out the area to be whitewashed and you multiply that with 7.5. All right, so area to be whitewashed, area to be whitewashed. So what is the formula? Area to be whitewashed formula is equal to LB plus 2 LB won't come. We have left it. 1 LB we have left it. Then bracket 2 bracket, what it will be? BH plus HL. That's it. Because BH and HL won't change. Alright, it will remain same. LB plus 2, and BH plus HL means you can take H common, and what will remain here? B plus L. Go logically, don't memorize this formula, okay? According to the situation, you should be able to put it. 5, 4, 3, right? So just do that. So what is that? LB means 5 into 4, right? Plus 2 into, what is H? H is 3. Please do this calculation, okay? 2 into, pause the video and do it, and confirm your answer. 2 into 3 bracket B plus L is 4 plus 5. All right. So 5 into 4, how much it will become? 5 into 4, it will be 20 plus. Then afterwards, 2 into 3, how much it is? 2 into 3 is 6. All right, 6 bracket. So then we have 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. All right. So it becomes 20 plus 6 plus 9 is 15. So totally it becomes 35 meter square. So this is the area to be whitewashed. Now cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing. Now how to find the cost? Already per meter square they have given the value, no? Per meter square it is 7.5 rupees. Just multiply with that. So that is like 35 into 7.5. So you multiply 35 and 75. So 75 into 35 you do, and you can give 1 point later. 5 5s are 25. Do this rough work here only. 5 5s are 25, and 5 7s are 35, no? 35 plus 2, 37, plus 3 5s are 15. 1 is a carry, 3 7s are 21, then 22. So it becomes 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Then 3 plus 3 is a 6, then 2. So it is like 2625, and 1 point has to go here. That is like 262.5 rupees. Alright, you know the new symbol of rupees, no? Usually it is written as 262.5 rupees. Alright, I hope the concept is quite clear. Just look at this. Only one LB we have considered because the floor has gone. We are not painting this floor. Then 2 bracket BH plus HL. And we got all these values. Okay, 6 into 9. All right, we made a mistake here. What is that? What is that? Please, okay, get to know about that. 6 plus 9, we are not supposed to do it. 6 9s, that's what I was thinking. So why it is coming like this? 6 9s, how much is that? Don't you think 6 9s are 54? All right, then we are going to add them. So 20 plus 54, how much it will be? It is going to be 74 meters square, no? Please observe any calculation mistake means you should be careful about that, and you should try to avoid that whatever mistakes are there. All right, so it has come to be 74. Now what is that? Now here we have to replace with 74. 74 into 75. All right, so how much comes? Just calculate that. 74 into 75. I'm sorry for all the calculation mistake. Okay, now only it happened, no? It will not repeat in the exam now. All right, you have to be thinking positive always. So 74 into 75, it is 5 4s are 20, then 5 7s are 35, 37, plus 7 4s are 28, 2 is a carry, 7 7s are 49, then 51. All right, 0, then 15, then 5, and here also 5. So it is like a 5550. Then 1 point it goes back means, so we have to pay him 555 rupees. All right, it is clear. Once again, I'm sorry for this blunder, but now it is all right. Fine, then moving forward to next question. Have a look at this question. What is this question? This question says the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meter. That means perimeter of the rectangular hall. Perimeter. Rectangular hall is there. So perimeter of floor. So the perimeter of the floor is going to be 250 meter. All right. And they are saying if the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square, they want to paint only the walls. Okay, only the walls. Look at this. painting the walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees they are going to spend to paint the walls at a rate of 10 rupees per meter square. For 1 meter square, if they pay 10 rupees, then painting their 4 walls will cost them 15,000 rupees. Now they're asking us to find height of the hall. All right. So one thing is like a cost of painting. What is the cost of painting? Cost of painting, total cost of painting is like 15,000 rupees. Correct, no? 15,000 rupees they are going to pay for that. Now they are asking about height. Height is equal to question mark. All right. So now we have to make use of all this data. Perimeter of the floor, look at this. Perimeter is equal to what they have given. They have given it as 250, right? So perimeter of rectangle means, what is the formula? It is, don't you think it is 2 bracket L plus B? You must be knowing all these fundamentals. Okay, 2 bracket L plus B, which is equal to 250. All right, let us use that in the later case. Now L plus B you leave there and take that to that side, so it becomes 250 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are, then here comes 25. So L plus B will be 125. Okay, so let us keep this as a equation number 1, so which may be of some use in the later stage. Now look at this. I mean, if you come to the normal thing, cost of painting, what is the formula for cost of painting? Cost of painting means I mean area painted, I mean in how many how much meter square the area is painted, into cost of painting per meter square, no? Cost of painting per meter square, how much they have taken into how much area they have painted. That's what we need to do, right? For example, in the previous examples also we did for 1 meter square how much they were paying. For 1 meter square it was given as 7.5 rupees. All right, we got some area, so we got something like some area we got, no? For example, 100 meter square we got, means how we are going to calculate the cost, that is like 100, that is area painted, into how much, how many rupees we are paying per meter square. That's what I have written here. All right, I hope the concept is clear, whatever I have written there. Now fill all the details. What is the cost of the painting? The cost of the painting is 15,000 rupees, that is known. Now, area painted. What is the area to be painted? 4 walls, right? So 4 walls have to be painted. Into what is the cost of the painting per meter square? That is 10 rupees. All right. So just fill all these values. So that is like 15,000 is equal to area of the 4 walls, means that will be, I mean, LB we have to leave, no? Look at this. Walls means what we have to leave now. Both the LBs we have to leave. Please observe this. This is the top, no? This is ceiling. This we need to leave, and this is the floor. Look at this floor. This floor also should be left. Both have to be. These have to be left. We have to leave them, and we have to take this left wall, right wall, front wall, and back wall. Okay, we have to leave this, both of this. Okay, whatever I'm shading, we have to leave them. All right, so then what will be the formula? This LB has to be left, this LB has to be left, so both the LBs will be gone from the formula. So that's why 4 walls will be 2 bracket BH plus HL only, BH plus HL into 10. Correct now? All right, fine. Then moving forward, it becomes a 15,000 is equal to 2 into, you can take H common, no? Look at this. Okay, B is there, H is there, HL is there. H and H you can take common, H and H, and in the bracket you can write B plus L. All right, fine. Then moving forward, 15,000 is equal to 2H into what is this B plus L? Just observe B plus L or L plus B. We got this, no? What is this? 125. All right, L plus B or B plus L, both are same, so this will be substituted with into 125. So how we got this? We got this from 1, so that's why I named it as 1. Clear? Is it clear? And definitely into 10 is there, I forgot that also. Let me rub this diagram. Let me rub this diagram. Actually it is required, but it's okay, as I have explained. Now you can leave that. Into 10. Okay, here into 10 I have forgot, into 10 you can do that. All right, so then it will be 15,000. Otherwise you can cancel 1 0 here, no? 1 0 one zero here, another zero here. In mathematics you have to be doing all these things, all this drama. So it becomes 1500 is equal to 2 into 125, it becomes 250. All right, so 250 into h. All right, another 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Now if you come to the calculation, h is equal to 150 divided by 25, that is 25 ones are 25, 6 are, so h is equal to 6 meter. Dear children, once again I am repeating, these mathematics concepts are calculative intensive, so you have to be doing all these calculations. So in the description of the videos I have given this PDF of solutions. All right, I have given the link of PhysicsPoint. Link of PhysicsPoint is also given. All right, make it sure that you visit PhysicsPoint and learn all these concepts. Okay, then like these videos and share these videos. That's how the YouTube is going to know that these videos are quality content, and this has to be spread across India, and it has to be shared with other people. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because it is your subscription which will give us a lot of motivation to shoot all these videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.